Hi folks, this is Stacy Cobb here from Stacy Cobb Art. Thank you for joining me today on my channel. As you can hear my bag rattle. I just went to a local thrift shop, and it supports community relief efforts and stuff like that. Anyway, I bought a bunch of stuff. So I got this little piece of material, and let's see, it is 14 inches by 22 inches, and I got it for $1. I'm sure I'm going to use it for something. This has a hole in it. It's a dresser scarf. Lots of little machine lace here. So, and this is actually a pretty nice cotton weave. See, there's the hole. I bought not one, but 2 of these, and they were $2 each. These are nice fine linen, which I'm sure I can find a use for. I found 8, count them, 8 linen napkins, and they were a grand total of $8, so $1 a piece. These were $2 a piece. This was 50 cents. This, what was this? This one is 50 cents, and I have to show this to you because it's just so beautiful, and I just love it. It reminds me of the stuff my grandmother used to make. And this little doily, this little ecru doily, and I think it's 50 cents. I haven't found anything wrong with it. I haven't really looked at it, but it might have, it just needs to be pressed and starched. But isn't that pretty? It's very, very finely done. It's handmade. And where'd they go? I have 4 of these little medallions, and they were 25 cents a piece, so 4 for $1. These little medallions, these are also handmade. They're hand crocheted, and don't they just scream? Project. Also, somebody's getting rid of their crafting supplies, so we've got a bunch of lace here, and I got a little bit of material yardage that's kind of got a Christmas feel to it. So lace and another thing of lace. These were like $2 and $2.50. Sweet. Ooh, there's more in here. I also found these beautiful neckties, which, here's the back side of this one. It's a beautiful necktie. Absolutely gorgeous. And it's very masculine in appearance. So I thought, wow, this could be really great for a journal for a guy. And this is also, this one's a little less masculine, but I really like the color. It's just gorgeous. And I don't know if you can really see that, how beautiful it is. But this is just lovely. And there's the back side. And last but not least, I found a book with some really colorful photographs in it, and it's New Ways with Fresh Flowers. Nice paper there, but some really nice photographs that surely I can use some of this for some of my junk journals. You know, I mean, this is just stunning. And it has lots of really nice little book pages. And the material, the book itself is quite thick. The paper is quite thick. You know, just some really isn't that lovely? Stunning, stunning. Super colorful, super fun. So that's my art haul from my local thrift store. And actually, like I said, this is a thrift store that I don't mind going to because the money is used for helping people within the community for instance, if there's a house fire and people need to get clothes and household appliances and household wares and such, the money, they can approach this Community Action League and they will help them acquire things. And this money from the thrift store, which helps all of us thin out things in our homes, also helps our local community in so many ways. So I don't feel bad about supporting them at all. And as you can see, I spent $28, that's tax included, and got a wealth of stuff to play with. So that being said, that was my art haul for today. I thought I'd share it with you. Happy crafting!